What's going on, everybody? It's 6 p.m. And I just started Postmates. I do not have a DoorDash or GrubHub shift tonight. So I was like, you know what? What better way to go out and test out how Postmates truly does? I've always used it as like a supplemental thing when things are slow. But I've never tried using it like for a full shift. So I'm probably going to stay out until 10 p.m., give it 4 hours or so. And I'm on my way to my first order, which is at Arby's. It's a pickup, or order and pickup type of thing. So I have to go place the order. I do have automatic accepting on. So who knows, it might get busy because it's a Saturday night. We'll see what happens.
Welcome to Arby's. Go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Hello. Can I have a cherry turnover?
Yeah.
And then a roast beef double meal.
Small, medium, or large?
Large.
Okay, what's your drink?
A Sprite.
Sprite?
Yep. And then can you add cheddar sauce on the sandwich as well?
Okay.
And for the side, can I do loaded curly fries instead of just regular curly fries?
Yeah.
And can I also have Arby's sauce on the side?
We actually only have apple turnovers.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Okay. And you said you wanted a loaded curly instead of the regular fries it comes with?
Yeah, loaded curly, add cheddar sauce, and then Arby's sauce on the side.
Okay, how many Arby's sauces did you want today?
Can I have like 5?
5? Okay.
And that'll be everything.
Alright, so I have an apple turnover, a roast beef double with added cheddar sauce, a loaded curly fry, and then with the Sprite?
Yep.
Okay, it's going to be $13.34, and you said how many Arby's sauces?
Like 4 or 5 would be good.
4 or 5? Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
you.
Well, hope they're okay with apple, because they don't have cherry. Alright, so it's now 6:34. I just dropped off that food a couple minutes ago. The big downside is that I had a stacked offer on the way, so I had another order ready to go, and then it got canceled. So now I have to wait, and as I'm sure you saw by the map, I'm a little far out there. But it's alright though. Hopefully I'll get an offer soon. Just gonna keep on grinding. I just got to Bonefish Grill. It says that I have to go and order and pay, but the last time I picked up from here, it said to go order and pay, and then I walked inside, it was ready. So hopefully it's ready. I thought about calling ahead. That's a little Postmates hack. If you know the restaurant does not get the order, and you have to wait to call ahead, and then hopefully it'll be ready by the time you get there. But like I said, last time I was here, it said order and pay and then was ready. So I don't know. I'm not super familiar, and I've only been here once. Gonna go grab the food, and I'll let you know what happens. All right, so that sucks. I just got there, and they are refusing the order. They're saying they no longer take Postmates orders. I went in the app. Let's see. And I tried to, where is it? I went to the question mark, and I hit merchant issue, refusing order. We will cancel the delivery. So, delivery canceled. It says it's because they're too busy, but that's a lie. Supposedly, the manager said that they've told Postmates multiple times. But, I just got an order. It's for 7-Eleven, but whatever. I'm just grabbing stuff and seeing how the night goes. It's kind of a test, so guess I'm heading to 7-Eleven. Hopefully this goes a lot better. Alright, I just got to 7-Eleven. I'm gonna run in and grab this stuff. There's 3 items to pick up. And then from there, I will go drop it off. I have a vanilla Starbucks Frappuccino, Kellogg Rice Krispie Treat, and a Red Bull. Awesome. Postmates has been a bit of a bust so far. I turned on GrubHub and I just got an offer, so I'm gonna go pick that up. I'm headed to Ban Cunha, Thai, which I'm pretty close to. I'm gonna go offline for PostMates. I mean, it's just rough. Hour and a half, I get 2 orders. Well, I should say I get 4 orders and 2 of them get canceled. So I'm hoping I'm just having bad luck tonight. I don't know. But at least I was able to
turn right, then turn left.
Turn GrubHub on. Even though I don't have a shift, it's still available to me, so that's nice. I'm gonna go grab this food and then I'll see what happens. Alright, it's 8:15. I just got an offer for 5 guys with GrubHub for $13.11. I'm gonna grab that, go offline with PostMates because I'll probably be able to start that DoorDash shift once I pick everything up. The nice thing is that I'm literally in the Five Guys parking lot. It's behind me. You can't really see it, but I'm already there, so I'm just gonna park a little closer because it's super windy out and I don't want to walk across the whole parking lot. It's a pretty big plaza. I'm gonna go drop this off and then I'll start DoorDash up.
Turn left, then turn right.
About 10 minutes ago, I dropped off that food and I actually got an order for
turn right
Nico Sushi on GrubHub. I didn't turn it off. So I'm hoping it's ready because I drove, like I said, about 10 minutes to get here. And it's 10 of 9, so I'm about to start that DoorDash shift. So I'm gonna go run inside, hopefully grab the food. Things are getting busy. Started off slow, but it's all right. Finishing hot. So I'm kind of cherry picking right now. I'm getting some super low offers, and I'm not really in the area. That's the second one I've declined. You're the best dasher. Your acceptance rate will drop. The order is too small. My first one was $4. The second one was $5.25. Like, I'm sorry. Both of those were not in the best part of town and really cheap offers. I'm not gonna go deliver that. You're gonna have to offer me more money. I'm sorry.
Let's take I-182 West Pasco and State Route 240 East Richland.
So I'm really glad I rejected those 2 offers because I just got an offer for $11, which is clearly more than $9.25, and it's in a much better area. So I'm just gonna head over to Red Robin. I might even get fries out of it too, so that would be dope. Yeah, I never really cherry picked before, but I might start. I don't know. We'll see how it goes with DoorDash. Part of me wants to get Top Dasher, part of me wants to cherry pick. If any of you Dashers out there are watching this, what do you do? Let me know how it works out. I'm about to leave Red Robin to go drop off the food, and we got that free fry cup. Let's go. So not only did I get extra pay, I got free food out of it too. I'm 6 minutes away, so it's a pretty close drop off. I might do one more before my night ends. Either way, I'll update you soon. Alright, so I just got home. I don't know if you remember, either last week or the week before, I had a Red Robin order where I got to the address and whoever it was entered the address incorrectly. I couldn't get to the right house type of thing. Actually, that same person ordered tonight Red Robin. That's who I dropped off to. It was interesting. A guy and the girl came to the door, and the guy goes, "Oh, I'm glad you had food." Or no, sorry. He goes, "Man, if you didn't have food, I was gonna kick your ass." And the girl just starts laughing. I'm like, "Yeah, no, I just dropping off your food for you." And I hand them their food and walk away. So that was a little weird. But hey, things happen. With DoorDash, I ended up rejecting every order I got. So I didn't make any money there. They were all, my highest offer was $5.25. This is Dash Utility. You can see $5 Wingstop, $5.25 McDonald's, $4 Mexico Lindo E K Rico. No thank you. Highest payout, 95 cents a mile. And like I said, they weren't really safe areas, so I was not feeling that. At least not at night. During the day, and if I was close by,
Find on average 4.
if I was close by, yeah, sure. But at night, in sketchy areas, I'm gonna pass. Sorry. Hopefully tomorrow's better. I do have a DoorDash shift scheduled with them. With Postmates, I only ended up doing those 2 orders. I got like, let's see here, 405 and 570, so I got 975. Not the best, but not terrible. I guess about what I would have gotten with DoorDash, and then there's still the possibility I could get tips for both of those. Speaking of which, I did get 2 tips today. I got $3.05 from that KFC order, and then also another KFC order, I got $7.35. So $10.40 added to my last couple nights out delivering, so that's nice. And then for GrubHub, which was my savior of the night, I did $43.47. So $43.47 plus $9.70, I think it was. So we're just gonna call it $53 and some change. Not the best night, not the worst night. I was out for 4.5 hours, I think. So roughly, roughly $11 an hour, maybe 12. I don't know. I'm tired. Math is rough. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.